what is your lighting process? Is it the same every time? Does it depend on what you are lighting?
Absolutely not. It cannot be the same every time, because then it will become just like fast food, you know.
Yeah.
So you need to like give you need to think about the character of the object that you have. You need to think about what is your plan. What first of all, what your client wants, because from time to time there are different types of clients that I have, and each of them has their own like inspiration. They are sharing like pictures that they like, and it's completely different. So you need to also incorporate that in with lighting, and that is also very important. So it cannot be the same thing all the time.
Yeah.
It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.